Everyone loves a good cowboy story song, am I right?
Yes.
This Marty Robbins gunfighting drama is one of my favorites and a very tough one to beat. Now here is Big Iron. To the town of Agafria rode a stranger one fine day. And spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. But the stranger there amongst them had a big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town. He came riding from the south side, slowly looking all around. He's an outlaw, loose and running, came the whisper from each lip. And he's here to do some business with the big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip. In this town there lived an outlaw by the name of Texas Red. Many men he tried to take on, and then many men were dead. He was a vicious and a killer, though a youth of 24. And the notches on his pistol numbered 1 and 19 more, 1 and 19 more. Now the stranger started talking and made it plain for surrounds. He was an Arizona Ranger, wouldn't be too long in town. He came here to take an outlaw back alive or maybe dead. And he said it didn't matter, he was after Texas Red, after Texas Red. Wasn't long before the story was relayed to Texas Red. But the outlaw didn't worry, and they tried before were dead. 20 men tried to take him, 20 men have made a slip. 21 would be the ranger with the big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip. The morning passed so quickly, it was time for them to meet. It was 20 past 11 when they walked out in the street. Folks were watching from their windows, everybody held their breath. They knew this handsome ranger was about to meet his death, about to meet his death. There was 40 feet between them when they stopped to make their play. And the swiftness of the ranger is still talked about today. Texas Red, not cleared leather for a bullet fairly ripped. And the ranger's aim was deadly with the big iron on his hip, big iron on his hip.